Stop recording. Stop recording. Speech off.
Hello there YouTube, welcome to another Smoke Alarm Collector 1000 video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys something really huge, like really big. This is something I've been wanting for a while and I finally got a hold of one. This is the new 4th generation 1-link first alert talking unit. Let's go ahead and unbox this. It's easier said than it is done. Sometimes it's easier to say to do it than it is to actually do it. Oh, there we go. Alright, we got got a wiring adapter, so I know this is a 4th gen. So I got a wiring adapter, which I don't need. We got... What, did that thing come with 2 wiring adapters? It did. Oh, dude, you're just in time.
What?
I'm doing this, guess what?
+1 6 1 6.
Oh, now Joey wants to join here and I have no phone available.
+1 FaceTime video speech off.
But I have... Guess what I'm doing, dude?
Oh, yeah. Did you get the Fortune fuzzy alarm?
Fuzzy alarm? I've already started the recording, but you're just in time.
Did it? Wait, did it leak my name? Oh, it did.
Actually, yeah, I think it did.
Yeah, fine.
Motion detected activity peanut butter.
What the? What the? What the?
What?
It looks different.
Yeah?
It has the same kind of test button as my 2012.
This is supposed to be a talking one?
Another wiring harness. Holy crap. Says it is. It looks... Wow. Okay, this looks totally different than what I thought it was going to look like. Well, let's pause some batteries in here and see what happens. This one goes this way. This one goes this way. Now I'm going to put my earmuffs on. Go ahead and close this and see what happens. Here we go.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and...
Whoa, that took a while to start.
No location programmed. To select location,
Whoa.
press and hold test button now. To save location, press and hold test button after location is heard. Basement.
It's loud?
Child's bedroom. Dining room. Family room.
Oh, yeah.
Guest bedroom. Hallway. Kitchen. Living room. Master bedroom. Master bedroom. Location saved. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Are you sure it's a Fortune? That sounds a lot like a 1st gen.
Oh, no, it is, because it has the wiring thing on the back. But, like, dude. Alright, should we try it out?
Yeah, let's go ahead.
Testing.
Whoa.
Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in master bedroom. Evacuate.
Because see how much more delayed that was?
Yeah.
It does do a little bit more.
Now what happens if I do this?
Oh, dude, let's see if it has that long beep glitch.
Okay, I'll do that.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Master bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Like, dude, that happened so fast.
Yeah. You can tell when it's old because it takes forever.
What do you say you can tell it's old?
Like, you can tell when a smoke alarm is older. For example, like your third gens, because they take a little bit longer. This just starts up almost right away. Oh dude, let's see if it has any of the glitches the other ones have. Let's see if it has that hold glitch. Or like that long beep glitch.
Oh yeah.
Testing.
And that was not right. Okay, beep.
Master bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test
Oh
unit.
crap. I didn't want to get all them going. Ah. I did not want to get all them going. I think this is the one that's not connected to anything. How about a little bit of
Testing.
Yeah. If that's a good thing. Right?
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Master bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and
Hey, you know what I
hold
think?
test button to test unit.
Yeah, because I haven't figured out if it's split. Yeah, so the earmarks is probably so loose.
Dude, you know what I think?
Use that little
Boy.
thing, pull it right out.
I think this year they actually got rid of the excuse me. I think this year they actually got rid of one linking.
Oh, that's nice.
What?
Oh, that's nice.
Well, I mean, it's not
That's pretty bad. I want to see if I can
it's not really terrible. I mean, I would think it's still pretty.
Well, that's actually kind of bad because don't have like because now you have to have one in each bedroom.
Well, actually, that's why it has the hardwire option.
See what
Yeah.
See, that's what the in case if I never told you before, like that's what the hardwire option is for. So if you have a bunch of these, there's actually a on the bottom, like one of those hardwire holes is actually the interconnected hole. So if you plug it into one of those holes, it'll connect it to it. But like, dude, it's so cool though, because like it literally has that same type of test button that my 2012 does. Like they literally changed the test button. And now like on the bottom there's writing, and on the top there's like a little logo at the top, and it's got that rough test button right there in the middle. That's really cool. That's really cool, actually. Now we'll just have to see if it has that. I'm not gonna say what, but we'll have to see if it reacts to my you know what.
Oh.
Yeah, you know what I'm getting at. Oh, dude, I should unlink one of the third gens and do like a kind of a test comparison between the old carbon monoxide and smoke alarm test and the new carbon monoxide and smoke alarm test.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, first things first, we'll do let me grab a third gen here. Yeah, wow, they feel a lot different. They feel a little heavier. Alright, so first let's do the startups. Alright. Alright, so here is the third generation starting.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Master bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Alright, now let's start up the fourth gen. This brand new fourth gen, which I really love. Alright, here we go.
Whoa. And smoke alarm. Master bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Alright, oh, I wonder, can we make this one go beep, beep? Alright, let's see.
First alert.
Oh, you could do that with this. Dude, that's awesome.
Master bedroom location.
Dude, that is awesome.
To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
So dude, First Alert's really bringing their old ways back again. That's awesome.
Let's see if it has the glitch.
Alright.
Yep. That's when it's trying to know where it is.
Wait, is that?
Okay. Yep. Okay.
Dude, that's I can't believe I just discovered that right on YouTube.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if it does it. I'm not gonna let it do it for too long, because yeah, it does it.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm.
It does have that
Master
glitch.
bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press
I know, but like, dude, I still can't believe they actually brought this glitch back.
Testing.
No. I still can't believe they brought this back.
Welcome.
Yeah.
First alert. Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Master bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and unlink this third generation, and we'll do like a third generation versus fourth generation test.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Master bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Alright, so let's do the third generation first.
What?
Testing.
It's 1/2
Like,
Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in master bedroom. Evacuate. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in master bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Alright, now on the fourth generation, as you be able to tell, it's a lot quicker.
Testing.
Okay, that's the old beat.
Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in master bedroom. Evacuate. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in master bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Motion detected at Divot Peanut Butter.
And like, dude, you can really tell that they updated this because, like, yeah, like now, like when you test it, now it literally checks everything. Like it checks the sensors, it checks everything.
that's why I take a lot of to do the readout of the carbon monoxide.
Yeah, I gotta tell you though, I quite love this alarm. This is a really nice improvement on an alarm. Because they literally brought the old, like, dude, that's how the old ones used to be, like the old PC, I mean not PC, like P something VB. That was also a hardwired alarm, and it was smoke and carbon monoxide. I wonder if this is I don't know if this is a SCO 500 or if this is this might be a VB actually.
Oh, it's a PC.
PC something VB. I'll have to ask someone just to see.
If anyone knows, tell him in the comments.
Yeah. But yeah, you can definitely tell if you look at the third gen. Put them right side by side. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Like, I like the one link technology, but it's kind of nice that they changed up a little bit because I'll tell you the one link alarms are a little bit heavy. But these, yeah, this is like a few ounces less what you're carrying around. Like it's still kind of heavy, but it's like a few ounces less than what you would normally be carrying.
Right.
I'm gonna say I'm quite impressed. I quite like it. I really quite like it. And yeah, the cool thing is it has that bumpy test button, just like my. So it was kind of made like my 2012 in a way, which that's really neat.
That's me throwing my shoes behind my door. You heard that?
All right. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Is there anything else you want to say?
Have a nice day, everybody. Hope you have a nice day.
Yeah, have a nice day, everyone.
Speed. Stop recording.